everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mix skin tones using primary colours. So I'll start off with alizarin crimson and I'm going to add some lemon yellow. So I'll mix those two colours together and then I'm going to add some ultramarine blue. So the blue just mutes down your skin tones so you don't get it so peachy. So I'm adding a little bit at a time. You don't want to mix too much of one colour in because it will just change your colour completely, and we just want to alter it slightly. So once you've mixed those colours together, you can add the white. So once you've added the white, you can sort of see what tone you've mixed. This one's a little bit too red, so I'm going to add a bit more yellow to it. So mix those together. So I'm still altering it to make it the right skin tone that I want. So this is quite a dark skin tone. I will take about 75% of that, put it to one side, and then I'll add some white to what's remaining on the palette. This way it gives me different tints of the same colour that I can work with. So I'll mix out about 20 different colours. They're sort of like go-to colours that I'll be able to alter while I'm painting. So I'll look at like reflective colours as well. So always look at what's reflecting into the skin tone, whether it's something that's nearby or clothing that's reflecting into the skin tone. If you add the reflective colours in, it makes your paintings look a lot more realistic. I work on aluminium, so I work in layers. I always put the reflective colours as the middle layer and then put the skin tone back over the top. And the aluminium allows these colours to show through. So that's how I mix skin tones. Hope you found that helpful. Like and subscribe.